Well, welcome to 2024. Normally, you know what? The first thing people say is Happy New Year. As we're jumping from the old year 2023 into the new year, you're hoping that it's a Happy New Year, right? Well, here's a reality for some folks. It's good morning, back at the job, trying to make ends meet, working paycheck to paychecks. So, Happy New Year become not so happy. Well, folks, I'm dedicated in 2024 to doing a team build where I'm helping other people make money. And I'm talking about some serious money here. I'm dedicated to helping people make $19,000 in 2024. But I'm just not talking just about $19,000. I'm literally talking about $19,000 by March 31st of 2024. So if that is something you are interested in having, right? You want to have a happy new year and that $19,000 by March 31st would definitely make you a happy camper, then check the link in the description box where you'll see information about the team build I'm doing that will help people get there. Most people, you know what, got their fingers crossed, right? You haven't made any money in 2023 and you got your fingers crossed. Think about this. If you have not made any money in 2023, what will have you making money in 2024? Do you have any skills that you've acquired in 2023 that will actually help you further making money in 2024? Are you going to join another investment program this year and hope it will double or even triple your money? And here's another thing. Are you going to get into another power line and hope that you get in at the very, with the hopes that people will build under you? So if you know you're not quite certain that you have some of the skills, right? Or the money to get in some of these investment things that are planning to double and triple your money before they crash, before you could get your money out. And you know what? If you don't know about these power lines that are coming out that you could literally get at the top so people could build under you, then I'm doing a team build where the goal is literally to help you make money by March 31st of 2024, and we're putting a number on it. I'm doing a team build to help this process where people who are tired of not making any money online, sick and tired of crossing their fingers hoping that they jump into the right program at the right time, or they even have the money to invest in some of these high ticket programs. I'm going to show you a simple team build system that is putting people on the map and in the area of being able to make 19,000 by March 2024. If that is something that you want to do, link is in the description box where you could actually check out the team build and get more information.